Hey YouTube, I have Uniden SDS100 scanner here, and I'm installing internal GPS module in and I'm on basically finishing up. I just need to solder one wire, put and tuck everything away and close it up. So let me show you what goes where, so you have an idea, or if you need it, I need your scanner modded. It can be done. You can contact me at info@applepitech.com. So let me switch to microscope and show you what's happening here. All right, so we have our GPS module. We are using TX signal, transmission signal, the white wire, ground wire, and power. Red was power wire. So these wires go to the adapter, TTL adapter, TTL to RS232. So ground here, positive wire, and this one is a receiving part. You can see by the arrow. So it solders here, and we have that's the same. This basically on this board are kind of interconnected. So this is how I'm getting wires for the whole system. So this is positive, negative, and this stuff I actually soldered to the bottom board, which is 3.7 volts right here, and we have a ground wire right here. And the only thing that I need to solder is actually this yellow wire I'm using here. This is connected to pin 2 on a USB, mini USB plug. Right here you can see this is soldered to pin 2, and this end of the wire will be soldered to our adapter. This one's going to be soldered right here, because basically this is the input from the GPS through the adapter to the board, and this is going to be soldered right here to this pin right here. This is how it will be soldered, okay, right here. And let me get this finished up, tucked it away, and show you the end result. So this is now tucked away. The adapter is here, the GPS module is here. I made sure none of the cables are anyway in the way of the screws. Same goes for here, so that this tucked away on the back. So all we need to do is connect everything and test it out. So we have the GPS icon here. It's all good and working. I actually was able to test it outside. It doesn't pick up the signal inside, but it's good to go. And I also had to program the actual GPS module. I was able to obtain some files to program it, so I had to actually buy the adapter, which looks like this, to get it programmed with UCenter 2 application. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and if you need your GPS module inside your SDS100, hit me up. So it's tucked away. Now it's just green. When it picks up the signal, it blinks. I'm gonna make it a little nicer here, but it's good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.